Hello, my name is Pallavi Jadhav. I am from Shirdi but currently live in Pune. My Bachelor's of Engineering in Information Technology was completed at SND College of Engineering at Research Center, Yeola. Like many other fresh graduates, I had big dreams about starting my career in technical field. But the journey was not smooth at all. Every single day, I used to apply for many different job positions. Sometimes my profile did not fit what they wanted. Other times my application got rejected right away. If I managed to clear the aptitude test, then I would struggle in the interview round. And even when I cleared both these rounds, the hiring teams would not get back to me with my updates. It was really frustrating and made me feel emotionally tired. I started losing my confidence and began thinking maybe I am not really meant for this field. Then one day, while I was checking Naukri.com, I found VishvaVidya free training and internship program. That moment completely changed everything for me. Okay, I joined their training program and began learning from the very basic data structures and algorithm. After that, I move on to Python, SQL, Fast API. Every lesson taught me something new, not just technical stuff, but also gave me more confidence. My coding skill got better. My communication became much stronger, and most importantly, I started believing in myself once again. Vishwavidya did not just train me; they completely transformed my entire journey and the way I look at my career. Now I am working at ValueDex and I feel so happy about how far I have come in my career. If you have experience but are still struggling to get a job, I really recommend VishvaVidya to you. Their training will definitely help you succeed. Don't wait anymore. Take the first step towards building your career today. Thank you.